What are you doing? Those are my things. They're not for you to be playing with. I mean, those are for me to make cement block things. What are you doing? Now, get out of that. Come on. You better get out of there. Come on, don't you want to come out of there? Want to come out? All right, really. Now I'm a master magician. Get those feet up. Get the other buds. Get them both up. Now, don't do that again. And I mean it. Good morning. Good morning. Where's your little tootsie there? There you go. Are you going to kiss me or what? All right, there you go. Good boy. Yes, I know. It's disgusting out there, isn't it? I know. It's creepy. Who wants to go outside? Look at that, messy. We don't want that, do we? Yeah, you're a good boy. Well, not all the time. Sometimes you're a very bad boy.